Hey everyone, Mark here
And Anna.
for Intel Future Skills, and today we're talking my new ride. Now this project's all about creating a uniquely you ride. This could be a car, a boat. I mean, it could have propellers or it could have wheels. It could be powered or not powered. But the point is to use craft material, the design thinking process, and really rapidly prototype something that's just gonna be, well, uniquely you. You know, if you wanted to, you could use a motor that you might have found here. Hold that, and you could use some rubber bands. I'll pick those up. And don't use tissue. That's just gross. But you could use wheels that you found from your home scavenger hunt. And at the end of it, walk through our process. Dream it, draw it, build it, share it, and you know, by the end of it, you should have something really cool. And if you do, please show it to us. Intel Future Skills at intel.com. Until then, we're gonna have fun riding, have fun making, and we'll see you next time. Marking out. Oh, and Anna too. We're both out. Keep riding. Let's go. Wow! Mark, Anna, Intel Future Skills. My new ride. Now, this is my new ride for us. This is definitely a uniquely us ride, but blah blah blah. You know, maybe it's vans or motors. Just saying, walk through our same process, dream it, draw it, build it, share it, and blah blah.